Okay, folks, I'm here in an old Civil War campsite. I have to clean this up. That could be a haversack buckle. We found a lot of bullets fired into the hillside right there. And I have found this fairly close proximity. There's a little bit of leather to it, so I'm cautious about getting too overly excited, but I really believe this could be something related to that Civil War camp. There were just literally hundreds and hundreds of soldiers around here, so it is definitely an old buckle, and it rang up really high, so it's high brass, so, and heavy. All right, well, all right, there's a possible Civil War find for the day. Pretty cool find too.